Hi. Let's learn about joint supply and joint demand in economics. Joint supply is a term used in economics to describe a product or process that yields two or more outputs. A common example is the livestock industry, where cows can be utilized for milk, beef, and hide, creating joint supply of dairy and beef products. Where joint supply exists, the supply and demand for each product is linked to the others originating from the same source. For example, if demand increases for wool and sheep farmers raise more animals for wool, there will be a related increase in sheep meat production. Analysts keep a close eye on products in joint supply because investments in one can be significantly impacted by what happens with the other. Another important issue with joint supply products is the allocation of expenses, since both products are derived from the same source. It is not usually feasible to simply split the expenses down the middle in the case of two products because one product usually sells at a premium to the other. Joint demand isn't necessarily related to joint supply. Rather, joint demand happens when demand for two goods is interdependent, such as printers and ink cartridges. Basically, joint demand is when you need two goods because they work together to provide a benefit for the consumer. If two goods are in joint demand, they will have a high and negative cross-elasticity of demand. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Joint supply is when a product or process can yield two or more outputs. 2. Cattle is an example of joint supply where cows supply multiple outputs such as milk, beef, and hide. 3. Joint supply isn't necessarily related to joint demand. 4. Joint demand is when you need two goods because they work together to provide a benefit, such as razors and razor blades. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.